Hey yo, what's good? It's your boy Warren J. MW Flair, aka the Flair Ground. I'm coming to you. I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Clap it up, man. Yes, sir. We got some more heat today on our hands. You feel me? I've been going for a little minute. You feel me? Ain't gonna lie. I've been chilling, like I've been saying. I've been out the way, stacking up my money. If you follow me on social media, you know that's what I've been on. You feel me? Man, my hair done grew a good amount, man. The braids is doing me justice, man. Finna go get a cut, go just take care of that real soon and go back to the braids, you feel me? That's my new style I'm doing. So yeah, I'm rocking with that a whole lot. Fuck with you, feel me? So yeah, as y'all can see by the title of the video, we got some heat, man, you feel me? Without further ado, let's get into this, man, you feel me? We got a package here, you feel me? FedEx. Container, well, not container, FedEx, packaging, yeah, packaging, you feel me? So yeah, man, let's just start with it first. Damn, I lost my knife, bro. I lost my camera knife, bro. I don't know where it's at. Nobody's seen around the house, bro. Nothing, bro. I don't know where. I don't even know how I could have possibly lost. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. That's gone. I need to buy me a new one. So. Quick little break, all right? Don't forget to get it. We'll be back. We got the handy dandy scissors this time, you feel me? And let's get to openings, you feel me? Shout out to, I'm gonna get into their company, the official name for them and all that in a minute. But shout out to them for reaching out to me, you know, and saying they mess with my YouTube, you feel me? And shout out to them, you feel me, for just reaching out to do this collab. I appreciate it, you feel me? If you ever want to like do a collab, you see this, you feel me, just hit me up, man. It's on my Instagram at MW_LaFlair, you feel me? And I always respond back, you feel me? And we could do some business, always. Me, I'm a businessman and I love opportunities and stuff to help others as well as benefiting myself from this, you feel me? So yeah. And also, you know, inform you guys and bring you guys good content, you feel me? So yeah, let's just, that's good. All right, let's start with this, you feel me? Cause I'm doing too much talking, you feel me? I know y'all here to see the heat, the unboxing for it, so yeah, man. All right, got that open. And voila. All right, cool, I think it's supposed to be this way. Yeah, it's supposed to be this way. All right, and as you can see here, what does that say? Christian Dior. I want to know it starts. Get started, you feel me? Yeah, Christian Dior, you feel me? Which I will be getting the actual pair of these, you feel me, real, so I don't know exactly when, but I know for my 19th birthday I'm doing Dior for sure, you feel me? So yeah, again, I already got the pair in mind too. I just need to find the actual shirt. I'm not deciding on the shirt, you feel me? But yeah, I'm doing Dior next year. Yeah, let's get into this, you feel me? Now, the company is shoepop.ru, you feel me? Now, I was scrolling through their website and they have a wide selection and various selection of all their shoes. If y'all haven't checked it out, y'all definitely need to go check them out, you feel me? Shoepop.ru, you feel me? Discount code J, capital Jay for $10 off in the checkout too, you feel me? Instagram, gonna put it up on there, you feel me? Put it up on there, and their WhatsApp as well, you feel me? Make sure y'all for sure, okay. You got the Christian Dior little card, you feel me? That's official, I like that. Y'all see my reflection up in the little, yeah, man. Like, that's hard, I like that, you feel me? They got the little Dior papers too, you feel me? Okay. Dior, got that on the back and stuff. Dior, a whole lot of Dior, probably even got the little paper, you feel me? Ain't gonna lie, that's real official. I don't think, well, I don't know, I haven't ordered any like top design shoe like that from any other company, but from this is looking like really good. This will make me believe like this is official, you feel me, if I got this. Then here's the dust bag, of course it says Dior on it, you feel me? It's a dust bag. Cause like my Burberry shoes and off-white one and the Balenciaga I got from Saks, they come just packaged like just like that for you, feel me? Yeah. Alright, let's get into the shoes on which I can't even see. As you see, they packaged it like one too. They got it up in the little, like, okay, I like that. As you can see here, we got the Dior B22s, you feel me? These are the Dior Hommes, as you can see right there. I ain't gonna lie, these are stupid hard. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. That monogram print on here, little Dior all around it, that is stupidly hard, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. And they got the little reflector right there, as y'all can see out the light, cause you feel me? This is like gray, but it's like lighting up, I can see it up in the camera. This is hard. It's navy blue, if y'all wondering, not black, it's navy blue. This is hard, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Damn. I wish I could get like a real, like if I could find them, if they ever did. I don't know if they actually made these for real. I got to Dior late, so I don't even know if they made these for real, but these are hard. If I felt like really these is hard, I would get these for sure, bro. This is hard. That print, I don't know. Print design shoes is just hard. Like monogram prints all over the shoe, I like that. Feel me? Then we got the right shoe. I ain't gonna lie, these are hard. Now, I don't have any Dior B22 personally yet, so, and says CD at the bottom right there. I can't do any comparisons for real for y'all yet, and like show what it could be possibly missing, but from what I'm looking at, these look good, you feel me? It looks like a Dior B22 model and all that stuff, and what I seen in the pictures, you know, Dior's and all that, but I'm gonna lie, these are hard, bro, for sure. Man. Let's get into a little try on, man. Ain't gonna look a little too good for sure. Right, as y'all can see, man, you see it reflected. Don't mind my hairy legs, man. I forgot to put some pants on. That's the shorts. It's hot, man. It's hot where I'm at. We're in Chicago with it. Illinois, you feel me? You feel me? But yeah, these are hard, bro. Look at that on my feet. Oh yeah. Man, that's gonna do it for this video, you feel me? Like, comment, share, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next, you feel me? Y'all been going crazy, man. I've been hitting different milestones. Y'all been interacting a whole lot more with me, and I really appreciate that, man. Y'all part of me, keeps me going on YouTube, and you feel me, and make me enjoy it, man. Just seeing the comments and interacting with y'all, you feel me? My Balenciaga track LED video just hit 6K recently, so man, clap it up. Congratulations for y'all, man. This is not only for me, y'all, because without y'all, I wouldn't have got the views, you feel me? So that's my highest view video right now by a lot too. My highest second was 4.8K, almost at 5K close, you feel me? But yeah, really appreciate y'all, man. And like I said, man, make sure y'all shop with shoepop.ru, you feel me? Code J, capital J-A-Y, check out for $10 off your order, you feel me? They got straight heat, man, I'm telling you. They got Lanvis, they got Balenciaga, Dior, all types of, they got a whole lot better selections than a lot of these people that I've seen, you feel me? These are hard, man, for sure. So, man, go check them out, man. Hook yourself up with heat, you feel me? Yeah, man. This is the end of the video, man. I'll see y'all next time, you feel me? Yeah, be on the lookout.